Hello everybody, welcome back to Buzzard-Roost. Of course I am Buzzard, most of you know that. It's a cold, wet, rainy day, so not doing nothing outside. Just trying to get some more water made, got the water machine running. I got down to 8 gallons, so figure this would be a good time to rebuild that up. I also have the quotic silver being made. Got the humidifier running today. Air seemed a little bit dry since the temperature dropped. Put a little bit of peroxide into the humidifier. I don't think I got it. I hope I don't have it. Anyway, just figured I'd do a quick video here. Like I said, nothing going on really. Just trying to keep occupied. Drinking a lot of coffee. And get back in here where I started at. Anyway, just wanted to see how everyone was doing. The Let's Do It Together, I know I haven't done it in a couple of weeks. That's pretty much been on hold now, since I'm not doing a lot of shopping. If you can do some shopping, go out and get what you can. Try to get as much extra as you can. The Weed Wednesday, I don't think YouTube likes it. So, seems like just about everything got put on hold whenever I'm talking about, things we're doing, things that need to be done, things working on. But just keep busy and stay safe. I did hear, now this is just rumor, that the little town that is close to me here has had 2 deaths because of this, and 17 or 19 cases. That's what you call close to home. Anyway, sorry about the moving around. I don't know. Don't seem to want to sit still very long. But anyway, write down in the comments how you doing. How's things going with this stay-at-home quarantine, or whatever you want to call it. Like I said, everyone stay safe. Do what you can. Hopefully none of my plants died last night. It didn't get down to freezing that I know of. But it is pretty darn cold. Or going from almost 80 degrees down to 30 something degrees. That's also going to affect a lot of people on their allergies and sinuses and stuff like that. But until next time, remember, only dead fish follow the flow of the stream. Don't be a dead fish. This is Buzzard. Sit that coffee down. See ya.